Hello and welcome to the free Oscar training video series by oscarhost.ca. My name is Jordan Visco. In this quick tutorial, we're going to cover schedule setup in the Oscar EMR. Once you get your first few providers set up in the system, the next thing you're going to want to do is set schedules for them. And the way that we do that is by clicking on the admin here. And that brings us to the admin page. In the admin page, go down to schedule, and underneath that there's a link that says schedule setting. And this is where you're going to be doing your schedule setting. First thing I'm going to show you is holidays. It's pretty simple. You name a holiday up here, and you select the days, and you click Save. And those particular days show as holidays in your system, and they're marked as red. If you go to the month view of the calendar here, you can see that those 2 days there are now marked as red, and everyone in the EMR can see that those are days off. I'll go back to today, and back to here. If you wanted to delete those, you can select them there and then click delete, and then they'll no longer be days off. So we'll close that, go back to the schedule setting page. The next thing is the template setting. Templates are templates for how a day should look. So if your general office hours are 9 to 5, you would set up a template that says I'm available from 9 to 5 with maybe a lunch from 12 to 1. And you can set up templates for however your days generally look. Maybe you're spending time doing patient house calls, or maybe you're at the hospital, or whatever it is you're maybe doing research. You can set particular times for particular days using this system here. So you can create templates for public use, so that's for anyone in the system can use this particular template, or you can create your own template setting for an individual user. So we're going to create a public template right now, and we're going to just call it a regular 9 to 5 day. And you can give it a summary there, which doesn't really mean much, but yeah, this is a regular day. Then what we're going to do is we're going to associate each of these time blocks here. So this is midnight, this is 1 o'clock, and these are every 15-minute intervals in between those hours. So we're going to say that if you scroll over template code here, it's not actually a link, you just scroll over it. It will show you the available template codes that you've set up in the interface, and Oscar comes with some preloaded template codes there, and you can see them. So template code 1 is a 15-minute appointment, template code 2 is a 30-minute appointment, template code 3 is a 45-minute appointment, and so on and so forth. There's template codes for travel and vacation and hospital rounds and study leave, and lots of different things. And you can set up your own template codes. I'll show you that in a sec. So the first thing we're going to do is say that this physician arrives to work at 9, and they have 15-minute appointments all the way up until noon. They're going to have lunch at noon, but there's no template code currently set up for lunch, so we'll set that up ourselves in a sec. But then we're going to say that at 1 o'clock they go back to work until 1700, 5 o'clock. And those are all their 15 minutes appointments. That's all their availability throughout the day. And we're going to click Save. And you notice when I did that, now that particular template shows up here. It's the only one. If we click Edit, that all shows up again, and there are underscores in the boxes where I didn't put anything, just to show that there's nothing in those particular blocks. Alright, so now we'll go Exit, and we'll go to Template Code Setting. And this is where we're going to set up a template code for lunch. And you can see here you can edit any of the template codes that are available in the system here. You can also create a new one. So code L, description lunch, duration 15 minutes. You can input a color code, or you can just type in a common color like yellow or red or blue, and that should work fine. And click Save. Now when you look in the drop down, lunch is there. You can edit it and change the color or whatever you'd like there as well. Close that. So now we're going to go back to template setting, and we're going to edit this template, and at 12 o'clock we're going to put L's for lunch, and we're going to click Save. Now we're also going to add another template so we can see what two different templates look like. We're going to say that this is a half day of work, and give it a summary. And we're going to say that on a half day of work, a doctor shows up at 11 and works until 2, like that. And then we click Save, and you can see now we have two different templates for two different types of days. Half day of work looks like that, and a regular day looks like that. Now we're going to exit. So the next thing we're going to do is associate a particular template with a particular provider's schedule. So we're going to go to Jordan Visco, and we're going to say that Jordan is available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but that on Monday to Friday, say Monday he's available for a regular day, Tuesday a regular day, Wednesday a regular day. Thursday, though, he's only available a half day, and Friday only half day, like that. You can see on the side here what it's going to look like in your schedule. This mimics what this looks like right now. So you can see that on half a day it's going to look like that, and on a regular day it's going to look like that, and I'm going to be gone for lunch, and there's the yellow that we had decided to put on the lunch break. So then you associate a particular time for this particular schedule. So if it's just going to be kind of like ongoing every week, you can just create an end date that's very, very far in the future. Or a lot of people have different hours between summer and winter. So you can put in maybe the date from like August, or from June 1st to August 31st as your summer schedule, and then you could create another schedule for winter. But we're going to create and say this one was from 2012 January 1st to 2012 December 31st. So this is a schedule for this particular year. And we're going to click Next. What you can do on this particular page here is see and modify a schedule for a particular day. So if on the 13th you've decided you'd like to work a regular day, then you can modify that here, and you can choose a different template for an individual day. But we're not going to do that right now, and we're just going to click Next, and it says you have finished doing that successfully, and if you want you can do it again and go back, and you can see now that this schedule shows up here, and you can add another one for another date as well if you'd like. It is important to note that if you add multiple schedules and the dates overlap, the original schedule takes precedence over the new one. So now when we go back to our EMR page here and we reload it, you'll notice that my schedule for Tuesday now shows up. Wednesday should be the same thing, and then Thursday is a half day. And Friday's a half day. And then you can see on Saturday, I'm not listed as being available. So there you go. Now my admin, when she's setting up my schedule for me, knows when she can and cannot book appointments. So thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. For more information, you can contact us through our website at oscarhost.ca. And for more information on Oscar, you can visit oscarcanada.org, and there's a lot of great information on there. Thanks.